Craving that I woke up like this vibe? Discover 10 stunning shag cuts that redefine low-maintenance luxury. Your dream hair is just a scroll away. 1. Modern wolf cut. This hybrid style maximizes volume and texture, making it ideal for thick hair. It requires minimal styling, offering a fierce, edgy look that grows out beautifully without frequent salon visits. Perfect for adding movement to flat hair. This cut uses choppy layers to frame the face. It suits oval and heart-shaped faces best, providing a trendy, live-in aesthetic with zero effort. 2. 70s Retro Shag. Channeling vintage rock vibes, this cut relies on crown volume and feathered edges. It works wonders for naturally wavy textures, reducing drying time while maintaining a polished silhouette. This style softens angular features through face-framing curtain bangs and textured ends. It is a go-to choice for those seeking a bold transformation that remains manageable and distinctly feminine. 3. French Shag. Embodying effortless elegance, this cut focuses on soft, blended layers rather than harsh chops. It suits fine to medium hair perfectly, creating natural body and that coveted Parisian chic allure. The versatility of this cut allows for air drying with great results. It enhances natural wave patterns and flatters almost every face shape by keeping length around the jawline and neck. 4. Curly Shag with bangs. This cut liberates curls from the triangle shape by removing bulk. It is essential for curly girls wanting to find ringlets and lift at the roots without complicating their daily routine. By framing the face with shorter coils, this style draws attention to the eyes. It is low maintenance because the layers allow curls to spring up naturally, reducing the need for heavy styling products. 5. Long Layered Shag. Keeping the length while adding grit. This style prevents long hair from looking weighed down. It is perfect for those hesitant to chop length, but wanting a modern, textured update to their look. The strategic layering adds movement and dimension to straight or wavy hair. It offers a bohemian flair that looks polished enough for work yet casual enough for weekends, requiring only sea salt spray. 6. Mullet Shag. A softer take on the mullet. This cut keeps length in the back while shattering the front. It is ideal for bold personalities and works exceptionally well to elongate round or square face shapes. This disconnected style is incredibly low maintenance due to its messy nature. It thrives on texture and imperfection, making bedhead look intentional and stylish for adventurous individuals. 7. Choppy Pixie Shag. Bridging the gap between a bob and a pixie, this longer crop offers versatility. It is perfect for fine hair as the choppy layers create an illusion of thickness and robust texture instantly. This cut exposes the neck and jawline, creating a delicate yet edgy silhouette. It requires minimal drying time and grows out into a cute bob, making the transition phases painless. 8. Curtain Bang Shag. Focusing on face framing, this style softens features and highlights cheekbones. It is universally flattering and blends the fringe seamlessly into the rest of the shag for a cohesive, romantic look. The curtain bangs grow out easily without needing constant trims. This style is ideal for those wanting a change that feels significant, but remains safe and incredibly easy to manage daily. 9. Razored Bob Shag. Use of a razor creates soft, tapered ends that sit light and airy. This cut is fantastic for thick hair, removing weight and allowing the hair to sit naturally without the triangle effect. This short, swingy style brings instant youthfulness and energy. It is low maintenance because the jagged edges are meant to look undone, requiring only a quick tousle to style in the morning. 10. Soft Shag for fine hair, specifically designed to boost volume. This cut uses subtle layering to prevent straggly ends. It gives life to limp strands, making it the ultimate choice for adding body without extensions. The strategic removal of wave allows fine hair to lift at the root. It creates a fuller appearance and holds a wave better than blunt cuts, ensuring your style lasts all day with ease.